Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix incoming calls not showing on any Samsung phone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just open the control center and check if the do not disturb mode is enabled or not. If it is enabled, just disable do not disturb mode. Then go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to connections and select mobile networks. Now, if you are in an area where you have weak 5G signals, just tap on network mode and select LTE instead of 5G. After that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the phone app and tap on the eye icon. Then go to storage and tap on clear cache. Now, once you do that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now, just go to software update and tap on download and install. Now, if you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. After that, just open the control center and enable airplane mode. Now just wait for 5 to 6 seconds, then disable airplane mode. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go back and go to General Management. Then go to Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings. Now just enter your PIN and select Reset. Now this option will not delete any data from your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings on your smartphone. After that, just go to your home screen and open the control center. Now just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix incoming calls not showing on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.